Hi guys, this is Mr. Simple World again, and welcome to my channel. By the way, it's another update of my life. I don't know if some people can relate if how I feel as a woman. As a woman, we have woman instinct. Woman instinct. It means uh, if our partner, our boyfriend, our husband have something like hiding anything from us or been lying or cheating with us, without any clues, without any idea, we can feel in our heart that something is wrong. And as a woman, I feel it, like everything changed because something happened. But the problem is, like, they keep denying it. They keep denying that it's nothing. But as a woman, you know it feels like everything changed. How he treated you, it's not the same as before. And then you're trying to fix everything, because there's some kind of another person involved. As a woman, I try to talk to the other person, to this other woman. I'm trying to talk so that they can understand that somebody is hurting because of what they're doing. I keep explaining my side that this person is my boyfriend. If he's using another account, he's hiding like this, his real person, his host being real him, but he's really my boyfriend. Because I have proof that he is the same person. I already explained to them. As a Filipina, as a woman, you should aware that even it's only online, even it's only like uh, earning application, we should understand that not not every woman working in some earning apps is just only for playing, just only for earnings, just only for fun. And it happened to me because I don't do relationship only because of earnings, because of gift, because of money. I do relationship because I really love the person, and it's affecting to me. I am the one who suffered a lot. I felt depressed because I have depression. I felt depressed. I have an anxiety. I cannot breathe. Every time I can't breathe, thinking what happened. I'm trying to kill myself. But those other girls, they don't understand. They've been happy. They've been enjoying flirting with a guy that they know already have in a relationship. That's why it's really hard for me. Because, as a woman, as a Filipina also, if somebody's talking to me already that warned to me that this guy have a relationship with somebody else, even it's online, I'm not gonna flirt with it. Because why? I know how it feels. As a woman, I know how it feels. And I really don't understand why those girls keep doing this. They know exactly that somebody is hurting, somebody's in pain. I don't know where they don't have heart. They don't have heart just because of earnings. I'm telling them there's a lot of way how to earn, not to flirt with those guys that already been in a relationship. It's okay to talk, it's okay to have as a friends only. But you're crying, you're poisoning the brain of that guy just to leave the other girl. It's not really a good idea. It's not really a good idea that you're gonna poison the brain of this guy just to leave the first girl and just to stay with you, just to continue sending gift to you. It's not really good. Me, I'm working in the apps for how many years, but I don't poison other guys just to only to support me and to leave the other girls. I don't poison just for the gift. No. That's why it's really hard for me, because I didn't do anything wrong, and I don't know why those person, they don't have heart, they don't have conscience. And I keep asking myself, where did I do wrong? I only know I love the person. I accept who I am and I stay for him. However it is, I know exactly who is he. I accept him, and I don't know why he chose those person that only been like talking for how many weeks. He chose to be happy with this person and leave and just like dump me because of that. It's really hard for me, and I don't know exactly where did I do wrong. Thank you guys for listening. God bless.